how to find out upcoming events in your area using the AXS or Axs app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can find upcoming event in your area using the AXS app. So likewise, when you're signed into your axs.com Area account, you'll be able to see your upcoming event under your event, or you could go and press the ticket icon located right at the bottom. So when you do that, you can find the event that's happening nearby in your places or residing in a current location. You'll be able to find the event. However, you could also go ahead and use the search bar tool feature by using the location and all sort of category, and likewise you also have this feature to discover the event by tapping on event happening, and you can categorize it accordingly, whether it's tomorrow, today, this weekend, whatsoever. And that's how you can find out about the event that's happening or the upcoming event in your current area. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.